What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old Shenseea. NEWLINK.
Yeah, bless up people, big up on yourself, man. They don't know what's the NEWLINK there in the night, you know, my people, right? So, they are now people, and me really going to talk about a topic right about now, and this is about Shenseea now, people. Shenseea. Zine, a long time, you know, NEWLINK say Shenseea, and I did know. You see, from here, Shenseea did do this song, I say, you could them and they load the thing, the people, I miss that girl, you know, that girl, like, she have potential. And you see, from me say Shenseea link up with Ramesh and a real, we see how them a go on. Me no matter about them picture thing with them come out with the other day, because me don't know, say, that picture thing was a music video them a do. Me know everything already, because you get me as a people, me don't know, you get me don't know the whole is, and the fully say everything. You get me, you don't know when you link when you attack, we know everything. Zin, so, Shenseea now, people, that Shenseea, yeah, the princess, self-proclaimed princess of dancehall, right? Right now, she signed a big record deal, people. I'm not going to tell you how much money, but it's a big deal worth millions in Jamaican, US people. Let me say, right now, Shenseea rich, her money I got enough, her money I got turn up. You see the first project with them job, the blessed thing there, with Tiger, yeah, a part of the project that, and this record label is from the United States of America, where them call him INTERSCOPE. You get me as a people, INTERSCOPE, and them thing are big, because Russian also signed to it. Everybody don't know Russian are the big man who link up with Vibes Cartel, and Russian are the big man who produce whole heap of them big top Spanish song that we hear now. People are ringing their ears. Whole heap of American rapper. Him get whole heap of something, people. Platinum, whole heap of something, people. Me I tell a Russian big. Well, INTERSCOPE recording label, people. Them have Dr. Dre on them thing, right? Them have Selena Gomez on them thing. Them have NMM on them thing, people. So me I tell her, say, I know look a small thing. This is an evil Lady Gaga. Maroon 5, you get me I say, and everybody know Maroon 5 with Adam Levine and them thing there. So them depend them label thing. So another small thing this Shenseea in a people. Just hear the name them, you know. Another small name them there, you know. And Shenseea is the first Jamaican dancehall artist to sign to this label. Whether male or female, she's the first. Nobody else only but Russian, and Russian is a producer. Well, people, all me can say. But this is Shenseea drive one of them, one green, nice looking BMW. Right now, Shenseea, here we are going to know. Bring the BMW, come get NEWLINK and just give me the key for the BMW car right now. I know you can buy anything you want. Maybe you soon you should Shenseea buy a private jet, you know, people. Boy, me I tell you, boy, but you know one thing me go tell you, Shenseea, we don't know some more foreign thing then can't go in. But me know so the deal, maybe Ramesh go get a big cut out of that too. Or maybe you know sign fully over something, but I hope so yeah, Ramesh no fall out. I don't think I know. Please, yeah, Ramesh no fall out, you know. I hope so, yeah, Ramesh can continue the thing and continue the progress and make the thing go on, you know, Shenseea. Zine, yeah, NEWLINK I tell you, I hope, you get me as a people, I hope so, because a lot of time we notice when the female them get a local chance and something go on, yes, them switch up and them miss up and them turn it around. Well, Shenseea, all the NEWLINK I say, I hope you are Ramesh can make me happy for your girl. Me happy for you, me happy for your mother, me happy for your local son, me happy for your whole family them, me happy for everybody. You get me as a Shenseea? So the project with Tiger was a nice project. Me love the video, me love the song, me love the message. And the people must say, yo, the full reason why them shine Shenseea to them thing is because Shenseea represent Jamaica on a different level. Mean culture-wise, Shenseea is the true image of Jamaica as a dancehall artist, especially female, because what they must say is she showcase the culture of Jamaica a lot, and them take her upon the thing because she is the one who them say can carry Jamaica flag. Aye, so INTERSCOPE also they love Jamaica, be like that bad. Because you don't know, so once and the people big up Jamaica, we are going to rock with them. So people, you see INTERSCOPE records right now, we are support them thing and we are big them up because them big already still, NEWLINK I want to look at something, so them big up there, so you understand, but still we are represent for them. So Shenseea, here where NEWLINK I say, keep up the good work, and we wish you all the blessings, all the love, and all the support while you go forward with this thing. I understand it's a great thing, and NEWLINK love the works, and Shenseea, we now going to say, yo, me not attack. Let's just say, big up yourself. Attack. Bless the people, be gone, big up.
Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old Shenseea. NEWLINK. Attack.